Founded in 2006, Shenzhen Futengda Vehicle Industry Company, Aun Milk and Futengda brand. 18 years of manufacturing and exporting experience. Our main products are electric motorcycles, electric bicycles, electric tricycles, owning 2 advancing and standard assembly lines, modern procedure design and complete testing device. Our production capacity can reach 300,000 pieces full assembly vehicles per year. There are many offline stores in China, partners and agents from over 100 countries. We have been engaged in the sales of electric vehicles since 1996 and established a production plant in 2001. In order to expand sale network and catch up with the latest market rules, our company have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate, Export Quality License as CCC Quality Certificate, FCC RoHSCEEEC Certificate, Alibaba 15 Years Golden Enterprise, China High-Tech Enterprise, China Credit Enterprise, electric part design patents, allowing users to register legally and riding with more comfort. In the pasting years, relying on brand creation, creative operation, innovation technology and quality management, Futengda aimed to promoting low-carbon career to the overseas markets, becoming the best OEM manufacturer of electric vehicles. So far, nearly 30 years of experience in production, sales, and after-sales service.